Welcome! Okay, let's learn how to make oven-baked chicken fried rice. Starting off with your rice, add in some oil, followed up by some sesame oil. I'm going to get this rice really well coated. This is basically the pilaf method. I'm going to add in our vegetables. All of these ingredients are in the description. Stir everything through. Now we're going to heat up our stock. We're going to add in some chili flakes, some light soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. Give them a good stir through and bring them to just shy of boiling. Carefully pour the mixture over the rice. Stir it through, get everything well mixed together just like this. Cover it with some heavy duty aluminum foil and pop it into the oven for 35 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius. Remove the foil and give it a good stir through to stop the cooking process. Then pop back into the oven for a further 10 minutes. And there you have it, chicken fried rice. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel, drop a like, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments.